What if I told you the most important conversation you'll ever have is the one you'll have with yourself? The words we speak to ourselves shape our mindset, our confidence, and ultimately, our success. Think about it. When you face a challenge, does your inner voice say, "I can't do this"? Or does it say, "I will figure this out"? That difference alone can determine whether you push forward or give up. Our thoughts become our reality. When we constantly tell ourselves we're not good enough, not smart enough, or not capable, we begin to believe it, and our actions reflect that belief. But when we shift our self-talk, when we start replacing doubt with belief, fear with confidence, and negativity with possibility, we unlock our true potential. Imagine waking up each day and telling yourself, "I am capable, I am resilient, and I am worthy of success." That mindset fuels action, and action fuels results. Great leaders, athletes, and visionaries don't succeed because they never faced doubt. They succeed because they refuse to let negative self-talk define them. They choose words that empower rather than words that limit. So I challenge you, become your own greatest supporter. Speak to yourself with kindness, with belief, and determination. Because the way you talk to yourself today will shape the success you achieve tomorrow.